Hey, good morning, everybody. Rory Powers, Right Line Trading. Hope everyone had a really nice weekend. This broadcast is for demonstration and educational purposes only. I am not a licensed financial advisor. If you're not familiar with the risks associated with trading, please ask somebody. Get with a licensed financial advisor. You could lose your entire trading account. All right, hope everybody had a nice weekend. Let's take a quick look at the Forex Factory. We don't want any unpleasant surprises. Whoops. Monday. Let's bring it over. Monday, March 3rd. Go down to 9:30. We have a red folder this morning. 9:45, final manufacturing PMI. It is Monday, March 3rd. If you're with us, hallelujah. God is good. We're still in the game. 9:45, final manufacturing PMI. 10 o'clock, ISM manufacturing PMI. We got some orange and red folders staring us in the face right in our session. 9:45 and 10 o'clock. Beware. All right. Let's take a look at the overall market. Since the market opened last night at 6 p.m., $1,800. Had a move down and then a big move up through the London session. Got a big move up pre-market. Market doesn't like those gaps, those gap ups. So at the opening bell, I wouldn't be surprised to see a big move down, a retracement. But we'll see. That's just a guess. And let's take a look at our leaderboard. If this is your first day joining us today, my name's Rory Powers. I'm with Right Line Trading, and we're going to be trading the AI Auto Trader. We also have another bot called the iBots that will kick in at about 10 o'clock. But the AI Auto Trader and the iBots, once they're fully enabled, they both run on the NinjaTrader 8 platform. They require NinjaTrader 8 and a live data feed. Once the strategies are enabled, the boxes are checked at the far right, the system will execute and manage the trades for you. We're going to be trading the futures index equities with exception to the Russell. And we've diversified into the portfolio crude oil and gold. Very liquid instruments. And through the London pre-market, first the pre-market through the London session, we run the bots. And we have what we call our leaderboard. Our leaderboard are the bots that are performing the best in this current trading environment. I've got some ES bots doing well. The Sim 101 is a NASDAQ 20U. My NASDAQ 2-minute, one of my favorites is this velocity stop. I love to trade this velocity stop the first half hour of the market open. I look for this velocity stop. The trend, it's on a 30 range on the NASDAQ. That's the data series of this particular strategy. I like the trend to be, market structure wise, the trend to be in alignment with my 20 Unirenko. So on the top right is my NASDAQ 20 Unirenko chart. What I mean by market structure wise, I'm referring to the position, the color in of my 50 moving average. My 50 moving average is this green line sloped up. There's a dotted line just under my candlesticks, and that's my 15. It's an EMA of an EMA. It's a little smoothed out moving average. And that's my 15. Market structure-wise, this is lined up for a long trade. My 30 range right now, my 50 is green, and my 15 is above my 50. So market structure-wise, I'm also aligned to the long side. I don't want to get into a position like this where I'm in a short trade on my 30 range and on my 20 Unorenko, which is a higher time frame. It's a much bigger bar. I'm lined up for a long trade. So this is the type of position that I'm trying to prevent. So I kind of time out my entries by using a trade copier. I take my most profitable strategies on my leaderboard and I put them on a tab. You can see I have my velocity stop. It's one of my favorites to use. And I have it across 3 PA accounts and 3 evaluation accounts. So if I'm ready to trade that sim velocity stop, I'll click on, and the next trade that bot takes is going to be copied into all of my accounts. On my PA accounts, I have a $300 to $500 profit target. These evaluation accounts are $300,000 accounts. So I have a little bit more of a risk tolerance. My profit goal is a little larger for those evals. My SimSmart 2 is up $1,000 pre-market. So this, I've got my eyes on this one very closely. I've identified a bot that's number 2 on my leaderboard that I know historically in the past I've done really well with. So I'm going to keep a close eye on that one. The Smart Stop 2 is the same strategy as the velocity. It just doesn't have the velocity filter. It's the same ATM strategy though. Good morning, Al. Good morning, Judy. Good morning, Edward. Good morning, Doctor Mukhtar. Rao, good morning. Gold scalper up 2,200 already. Let's take a look at gold. I'm going to try a little bit of a bigger bar on my gold bot. I'm using a 2 Unorenko, which is pulling in a lot of losers. Listen, that's the key to these automated bots, is to be able to filter out the losers. We could find the winners. The hard part is sidestepping those losers. With a 2 Unorenko on the gold, sure, we pull in some monster trades, but we're pulling in far too many losers. So I'm going to set up a bot using a little bit bigger of a Unorenko bar. I'm going to go to a 41020. And give that a try. Two minutes to the market open. Remember, we gapped up pre-market. So we could look for a quick move to the downside here. My 20U is coming down to the 50. Let's see if it breaks through that 50 or it bounces right here. These are my open positions. My sim account, that's the 20U on the NASDAQ, is in short. Good morning, Suzanne. We had a beautiful, beautiful birthday party for my little girl. She asked for a pink. I asked her, I said, Heather, what do you want for your birthday? She said, a pink dress. So we got her one of those little pink princess dresses, and she was in heaven. Okay, here we go. I'm getting ready because I really think a move to the downside is coming, but it's just a guess. So I'm going to wait and see how the technicals line up. I knew it was going to jump in short. I think the timing was really good there, but let's wait till the market settles down for a few minutes after the open. Here we go to the downside. Had a feeling. We're going to go ahead and take it to the downside. Let's see if we can catch one. It's right at the market open, which is a little risky, but we will give it a try. Come on down. A little too close to the market open, I think. Usually I like to let things settle down for a few minutes, but let's see if it continues. We're really in an uptrend. All right, I've got one more shot to take on these accounts. Let's see if I can make it back. Come on up. Get in my window. There we go. See if we can get this one to run a little for us. There we go. Coming right into resistance. All right, we got it back on that trade. So we're back up to, we're plus 100. I got nervous with that resistance coming. But now we're continuing into that upward trend that it ran all night on. So I'm just pausing for a few minutes. Just pausing. Remember, we have those two reports coming from 9:45, one at 9:45 and one at 10 o'clock. Look at this gold. If gold breaks through this area of resistance, this could be a runner. We got a good burst of volume right here NQ just under 4,000 contracts a minute. The E-mini was up just under 8,000 contracts a minute. Here we go with gold. Gold is popping to the upside. Our ES star is in. Let's check that one out. Sim ES 30 range star. Pictures of the party, Rao? I do have some pictures. Let me see if I can send one to my email. There goes gold. We've seen some monster trades on gold. It's been very volatile. I always like to put a bookmark on the January 20th date. That was the inauguration day of the Trump administration. Seen some huge moves on gold. We went up to almost 2,960 last week. Here we go. Now we're in alignment again. Very, very, very close. Here we go. So now we're in alignment again to the short side. So I'm going to re-engage it and see if I can get a move down. No, now it broke out. So I'm just going to pause it. Let's see if it pops, which way it goes. A little tricky today. Here we go, long. Yeah, not a great time. Darn. Okay, we're back in short. I like this entry a lot better. Come on down. Come on down. Get my window. I'm trying to get the stop to come down in my window. Oh. Popped right back in. Get in the window. Nice. I paused it and it jumped right back in short. But we got a multi-time the trend is in alignment on my 20U and on my 30 range. And you can see it's just pulled in 2 or 3 winners in a row. right before this news report's coming out at 9:45. I thought I got my PA accounts on, but I didn't. I got all my evals. Bam, pulled in another winner. This is when it gets really hot. It's when I'm in alignment and trend on my 20U and my 30 range. I just pulled in 3 or 4 straight winners. On that big move down. Here's another short. Let me see if I can get my PAs. We got 5 minutes till the report. Here's my PA accounts here. Wait. So the SimSmart velocity stop. I think I'd rather it trade. My velocity stops up 1760. I'm trying to get a trade on my PA account before this news report. Right into support. I want to see a breakthrough support to the short side. Here we go. Get this break of support. We could be headed down. Here we go. Put me in right at the break. Ah. Boy, it bounced on me. Quick. Ah. Ouch. Now I'm not in alignment. I've got some making up to do now. Three minutes till the report. All right, let's hit the pause button here. Ah, now it went short. Our 1-day pass hit. Our 30 range 1-day pass. Those are the templates specifically designed for prop trading. That particular 1-day pass is running on a 30 range on the NASDAQ, and it takes the maximum number of contracts for a $50,000 account. Come on. Breakthrough. There we go. Come on down. A little more. Come on down. Oh, we're going right into the report. Let me close this quick. Oh no. I traded right into this news report. All right, I'm going to re-enable it, but I'm going to take it off my account. And let's let this news report play out. Smart stop 2. All right, I'm going to have to reset. I'm in a position here. Oh, this thing's acting weird. All right, let's reset Sim Smart Stop 2. It already hit the profit goal, and I want it to keep trading. Oh shoot. Oh, it's showing it's in a position. Looks like my platform froze up here. Bear with me here for just a second. Okay, sorry about that. Hey Mark, good morning. Mark, the iBots are going to start trading at 10 a.m. just after the news report. We haven't engaged them yet. I want to wait until after the news reports. We've got a red folder report coming out. Bear with me for just a moment while I restart my computer. Restart my Ninja, sorry. We're going to see the iBots in action very shortly. Bear with me. It's not a good sign. The iBots do require a kinetic connection. Try one more time. Yeah. It looks like looks like I have a corrupted database. We just did an update on Friday, and I think some of my strategies were custom strategies. Got another news report coming up at 10. Hopefully I can get this sorted out. Hey, good morning, Walter. Yes, Walter. Sergio and Charles are actually meeting now. We're going to have a fix for that in just a few minutes. Sergio has the fix. He's giving it to Charles now. If you had backed up, done a backup right before you did the update, I know I did. I'm tempted to re-import my let me see. Let me disconnect for a minute. If we go to import, let's see what the date was. Let me see. Monday's the 3rd. Sunday was the 2nd. Saturday was the 1st. The 28th was Friday. So I think I want to go back to the 27th, Thursday. So if I have a backup for the 27th, I'm going to re-import that. Backup file. Here's the 27th. I'm going to open that. Whoop. And import it. On Friday, it's not liking it. We'll go back to Thursday. I would assume I would need to restart it now. Well, this is one way not to trade through a news report, right? Okay, I'm just firing up now my connections. And let's get the rhythmic. Go back to our strategies. Maybe that moved down. Ah. Big sell-off here. Lost my leaderboard.
Order submitted.
All right, let's let it settle down. The report just came out. We're going to be able to kick everything back on, God willing, in just a few moments. I'm just getting about 25 seconds of lag through this report.
Order submitted.
Okay, we're coming back down. Now we got it. All right, let's let the report settle down.
Submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Gonna let it settle down.
Submitted.
A little too risky with that huge burst of volatility right after that news report. Usually, sometimes when those news reports come out, it's smarter to go with a bigger bar, like a 20 Unorenko, a 2-minute,
Submitted.
something to slow it down. We don't want to get caught up in this whipsaw. Trading a 30 range on the NASDAQ, you could pull in some losers. It's kind of risky. Let's see if we get a clear direction. Let's wait for it to settle down.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Break through this area of support. We could be on a nice ride to the upside. Excuse me, resistance. I'm referring to this upside. This red line is an area of resistance.
Order submitted.
Just jumped in. We've got an alignment of trend on our 20 Unorenko and our 30 range. There it goes. Bouncing off of that area of resistance. If we break through, we could go. Here we go. Let's see if we could jump in. Here we go. We got one. Keep going now. Get up there. Ah.
Order submitted. submitted. Order submitted.
Get up. Come on.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Come on out.
Order submitted.
Not a lot of upside support here. Upside resistance, excuse me.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Hmm.
Order submitted.
Hmm.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right, let's try to turn on the iBots here. I don't
Order
know.
submitted. Order
Here we
submitted.
go. All right, let's go.
Order submitted. Order
Got
submitted.
the ES iBots on.
Order submitted.
Yeah, let's go to the NQs. 16U's been very, very strong bot.
Order submitted.
Come on down.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Hmm.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
My iBot on the E-mini is in. I'm trying to engage my PA accounts again. When I did that restart, I lost my on my trade copier, I lost those PA accounts off of. So now I usually prepare pre-market with my trade copier to get my accounts, the ones that I want to trade. But when I did that reset, I lost the settings I had worked on.
Order submitted.
All right. Let's try the symbol velocity, smart velocity.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right, we're in this thing now. Come on, let's go. I'm going to give it a clear shot to my profit target.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Trouble, trouble, trouble. Taking some heat. Come on now, bounce off that 50 and let's go.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Not an easy market today, let me tell you. This thing's bouncing everywhere.
Order submitted.
Ouch. Oh, that one just slowed me down. Mm. Mm. Come back down. All right. Let's kick it off now. That 20U sniper came up. I've got to turn off my PA accounts. I pulled in a $500 losing day. So I'm going to stop the PAs right there at 500. Just don't want to risk any more than that. The evals, I don't, we have a much, the $300,000 eval, we have a bigger risk tolerance than a PA account. We can let it run a little bit. But I'm going to take off these PA accounts. I've been really consistent with them. Oop. Okay, here we go. Let's see how these iBots do once they're all kicked in. They're all engaged now. Oh, holy moly! I didn't even know I was in this position. I'm in a long on the Nasdaq. Oh man.
Order submitted.
This copier I have, I gotta get rid of it. It's giving me problems.
Order submitted.
Ah,
Order submitted.
Jorge, buenos dias. I got your message. Yes, I'm going to send you my calendar. Absolutely, Jorge. Okay, now I'm back up to speed now on my charts. Let's see where our leaderboard is. Our sniper, let me take this off. Our sniper is at 1310. There goes our 16U on the IBOT. Now this IBOT is looking at data right off of the cash market and the stock market. It's looking at 16 indexes that look for the disparity between uptick and downtick. It's also looking for the declining ratios right off of my kinetic data feed.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Pulled in a loser on that one.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Jump right back in short again.
Order submitted.
Let's come over here. Let's bring this here. I'm not really trading gold at the moment.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Come on down. Got my profit target just below this area. Needs to break through that support. Not a great place for my profit target, but let's see if we can break it.
Order submitted.
Come on down. Some good selling pressure here. Come on down. Let's get it.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Let's get it. Got a lot of buyers sitting right there. 20,810.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Ouch. Both the 30 range and the 20 and the 16U pulled in a loser on that one. Not an easy market. The 20Us are starting to hit. My ES IBOT on the 30 ranges in. Looking for a retracement back up to the VWAP. No, why'd I touch it?
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Let's see what the IBOT 20U is doing. Down 1,200. Been a tough market. Not an easy day today, let me tell you. Here comes the IBOT on that E-mini. It's retracing right back to the VWAP. All right, let's go for 10 more minutes. Excuse me for just a quick second. I got to run to the restroom. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. Hey, good morning, Biblical. Do they really work? Yes, they really work. The iBots, you're new to bots. Yes, the bots are fully automated strategies that run in NinjaTrader 8. And the bots have conditions, rules for entry that are programmed into the strategy parameters. Once the trigger, which is what triggers a trade, is met, then those conditions, those are our rules, our trading rules, all have to be met in order for them to fire off a trade. And we can make these as conservative or aggressive as we choose. We also control the trade management strategy, where our stop and our profit targets are, through an AI integration, a self-learning, machine learning algorithm. Don't know why, but my Ninja is behaving very strange today. I can't, at the moment, I'm unable to move my control center. It's frozen. So, having a few tech issues. Got some tremendous volume. Just under 8,000 contracts on the E-mini. My NASDAQ is frozen. Great, Biblical. Yeah, come back tomorrow. We're about to wrap up today. And tomorrow we'll go through how the system works and the results. My control center right now just isn't behaving exactly right. Today was kind of a down day for me personally. Even though the bots performed really well, we had some strategies do extremely well. Our one-day pass for the prop trading evals passed. Personally, my PA accounts, I pulled in a $525 loss, so I had to stop trading it. And tomorrow we will live to fight another day. October we had some really great results, up over $10,000 on those PA accounts. Today we took a $500 drawdown on all three of them. Total of $1,500 drawdown. So we start Biblical every morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern. God willing, every morning, Monday through Friday, at 9:15 we meet here. And on Friday we had released an update that my that I need to re-update it, put it that way. It didn't take kindly to the update that I put in. So hopefully tomorrow we're running back 100%. Hope to see you there tomorrow. Hope to see you here tomorrow at 9:15 a.m. Great job, Ral. Yeah, I see my gold bot is back up 440. Came back from the dead. Yeah, Jorge, I'm going to send you my calendar so we can get together if I haven't already. Last trade, this last position on gold. I'm going to lock in some profits on that ES trade. Coming up to that VWAP. Last trade on gold short. Let's see what happens. That I bought on the E-mini is trading a 30 range. And man, it took a beautiful entry. And caught that retracement back up to the VWAP. Hey, Duke. Duke's hysterical. I got your email, Duke. The banana peel. That's an inside joke. I refer to making these human blunders that we do as stepping on a banana peel. And Duke sent me a funny email over the weekend. Okay, everybody. Thanks for joining me. Come on back tomorrow, and let me get this glitch fixed up, and we'll be back running full speed tomorrow. Have a blessed rest of your day. Thank you for joining me, and have a great week. We'll see you tomorrow. So long, everybody.